15. Geofabric Seal Mac. Do you think these workers are tucking the road in at night with a blanket? Actually, they're busy laying geotextile. Thanks to it, moisture will not seep into the structural layers of the road, and as a result, the road will last up to twice as long. This particular type of geotextile will increase costs by a maximum of 30%. If necessary, geotextiles can also be used on concrete roads. Number 14. Amoresco Smart LED. Chicago attracts tens of millions of tourists annually. Fortunately, there are plenty of landmarks like the Millennium Park, spanning over 99,000 square meters. It comes as no surprise that local authorities want their city to shine, literally. So they contracted Amoresco to install smart street lighting. With over 200,000 new streetlights, the city not only looks better, but is also more cost-effective. Street lighting tends to be the biggest energy consumer in many cities, making smart LED streetlights more crucial than ever. Number 13. Raptor Rover. Thanks to the Raptor system, even a pickup truck can be used for installing speed bumps, as it can be mounted on a special hitch if required. The working process resembles a claw machine. The operator works with a joystick, guided by the image from the cameras. With some skill, it is possible to install 3 speed bumps in 2.5 minutes. As with the cones, the Raptor easily switches from installing to removing. A standard 3-4 meter wide speed bump can support about 36 tons of load. Number 12. Mion Permafix L273. Permafix L273 is a groundbreaking solution for asphalt repair, at least according to its developers. It's easy to use. Workers just need to mix the components and fill asphalt potholes with the resulting mass. There's no need for heating, road rollers, or anything like that. The finished mass hardens in just half an hour. It can be used almost anywhere. For example, one review mentions the successful repair of a bustling city intersection where drivers pass at around 64 kilometers per hour. Number 11. Neapolitan Delineator Post. Among the exhibits at TrafX 22, an event dedicated to road technology and safety, visitors could see these rather interesting delineators. They're made of Reflexopol, a flexible polymer, so they can be easily bent in case of collision. Tests have shown that the posts are quite safe, even at speeds of 100 kilometers per hour. In addition, they can easily withstand 100 bends. It's an ideal solution for temporary markings, as well as for separating pedestrian and bicycle paths. The delineators are available in several colors and 6 stripe patterns. Their compact square bases require minimal space and are easy to install. Number 10. Scorpion 2 Metro. The team that created Scorpion 2 is also trying to improve safety on the road. This system is mounted on trucks like those used by utility service providers and can significantly reduce the damage caused by accidents. When a fast-approaching driver rear-ends the truck, Scorpion 2 guides their vehicle sideways. Thanks to a core of multiple honeycombs, it absorbs some of the impact energy. The system is claimed to be effective at speeds up to 80 kilometers per hour. At only 2.4 meters long, Scorpion 2 is the shortest model on the market. Plus, the system can even be placed on a Ford F-550. Number 9. A-Safe Barrier. The A-Safe company proudly claims it doesn't compromise on quality. It offers these polymer barriers that are in many ways tougher than steel ones. A-Safe barriers can easily withstand an impact from a 5-ton vehicle at 10 kilometers per hour. But while an impact against a steel barrier would most likely result in damage, in this case, the vehicle will bounce off the A-Safe barrier. One of the secrets is the unique Memoplex material. Not only does it have a memory effect, but it can also withstand freezing temperatures as low as minus 30 degrees Celsius without any problems. And if a safe does get wrecked, replacing the damaged elements is much easier than with a steel barrier. Number 8. ETI Rolling Guardrail Barrier. Ordinary roadblocks can become safer too. For example, these barriers are already used in 14 countries. They're called rolling barriers and are fitted with polymer rollers. Thanks to reflective strips, they're perfectly visible in headlight illumination, even on unlit roads at night. Rolling barriers have successfully passed European and American crash tests, EN 1317 and MASH, and thanks to their modular design, they can be repaired much easier than conventional ones. Number 7. Sound Stop Silent View. More than 113 million Europeans are affected by road noise every day, and scientists have found that continuous noise louder than 40 decibels has a negative impact on health. Silent view barriers are one of the solutions to this problem. These consist of sheets installed at an angle of 30 degrees that reflect sound waves directly onto the noise-absorbing element. These screens can effectively reduce up to 35 decibels of road noise, making them suitable for areas near railroads. Number 6. BOMAG Shell Kit. BOMAG, known for its rollers, brings an interesting upgrade, the Shell Kit. This enhancement is tailor-made for their rollers, converting them into soil compactors. With straightforward manipulations, the smooth rollers become a toothy tool, making it a versatile dual-purpose machine. Number 5. Illumin Intelligent Pedestrian System. Now let's go from the US to China, where crossings are being improved with the Illumin system. The system warns everyone at once. Pedestrians take their eyes off their smartphones and cross properly, thanks to an audible alert. Meanwhile, Illumin signals drivers by illuminating crosswalks and road signs. At night, these signals are easily visible, even from a distance of 400 meters. Moreover, these systems can link to the cloud, serving as an efficient tool for traffic monitoring and control. Number 4. Geofabric's Megaflow Green. This drainage system works like magic. At least that's the impression left by its description. Not only does it work faster than any other drainage system, it's also twice as fast to install. In particular, there's no need to dig wide trenches. In addition, the manufacturing company offers special software to design drainage systems based on many factors, such as weather and soil. And the safety margin of the drainage system is so high that it's recommended even for railroads. Number 3. Warmly Yours Snow Melting Systems. If there is a lot of snow but a shortage of shovelers, why not improve roads and sidewalks? The systems from Warmly Yours will effectively melt not only snow but also ice. They can be installed not only on concrete and asphalt but also on paving stones. Depending on the specific conditions, Warmly Yours offers mats or cables. The cost per square meter ranges from $99 to $111. The control program takes temperature and humidity into account, and the heating can be monitored via Wi-Fi if needed. Number 2. Electrion. Korea is also using water to make life easier for drivers. The smart IoT system is installed without any excavation on the roadway and allows not only to effectively reduce dust, but also to lower the road temperature. IoT algorithms take many parameters into account, including CO2 levels. Thanks to this, the system is only switched on when necessary, and it automatically selects the optimal water consumption option. You can control the IoT and give commands via the app. All system data is stored in a dedicated database for potential audits. Number 1. Markway. Installing traffic cones is not the safest thing to do, especially on a high-speed highway. Markway is a way to keep workers safe and speed up the process. The system can be installed in ordinary vans in just an hour and allows cones from 50 to 120 centimeters in height. The distance between them is automatically adjusted. All necessary parameters are displayed on a touchscreen that can be placed inside the cabin. The cones can be installed at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour. And when the work is finished, the system helps to remove them.